Students, welcome to the fourth part of this chapter. We are discussing plant-water relations, and under this now I am going to discuss about turgor pressure and wall pressure. So let's begin. Transport in plants. Now we are undergoing plant-water relations, under which now I will be explaining you turgor pressure and wall pressure. So what's turgor pressure? When a cell is immersed in water, then what will happen? The water enter into the cell because of osmotic pressure. Now the cell content press upon the wall or develop a pressure against the cell wall, which is called turgor pressure. Water is entering, cell content is is pushing the cell wall, is developing a pressure against the cell wall. This is known as turgor pressure. Turgor pressure is also known as hydrostatic pressure. Okay, so this is also known as hydrostatic pressure. Turgor pressure is not applicable for free solution, it is only for the osmotic system. So keep it in your mind that it is only for the osmotic system. A flaccid cell has zero turgor pressure. Very simple. Flaccid cell is like this, which has nothing inside. Turgid cell is like this, full. The highest value of turgor pressure is found in fully turgid cell. Look, I have already told you, in a fully turgid cell, it's having the highest value, and it is equal to the osmotic pressure. Now comes the term wall pressure. The turgor pressure balanced by an equal but opposite pressure of the thick cell wall. Okay, so the turgor pressure is being applied by the contents of the cell to the cell wall. Now this cell wall will also apply a pressure towards the contents of the cell. This is known as the wall pressure. It means the amount of pressure exerted by cytoplasm on the cell wall is same and is in opposite direction as pressure exerted by the cell wall towards the inner side on the cytoplasm. Very simple. Cytoplasm is putting a pressure on the cell wall and cell wall is on the cytoplasm. So both will be equal. Therefore, wall pressure and turgor pressure are equal to each other. There is always an equal and opposite reaction. So like that, apply that rule over here. But the only difference is that wall pressure is in inward direction and turgor pressure is in outward direction. So Tp is equal to Wp. Plant cell does not burst when placed in a pure water due to wall pressure, but animal cell burst in pure water. Why? In animal cell, wall pressure is absent. Why? Because animal cells do not have cell wall. Very simple. It's actually very simple. But if in exam this question will be asked, you might start thinking, why is it so? Why is it so? But it's actually very simple. Animal cells do not possess any cell wall, so they will not be having any wall pressure. Simple. Now, here are the three types of cells: the plasmolysed cell, the flaccid cell, and the turgid cell. This is under the plant. In animal, this is lysed, this is normal, this is shriveled. Okay. Now here is a video. Let me show you this video to explain you about this turgor pressure, and you can see here turgor pressure is due to osmosis. Water is added to a limp celery. What will happen? The turgor pressure, water is moving inside the cells and it's developing a turgor pressure. So the celery leaves will start to develop a turgor pressure as well as the wall pressure. So this process defines it completely. If you have any query, just go to the website askIITians.com. Click on the discussion board, select the category of your question type, type your question over there and get it answered from our experts, the experts of askIITians, within 24 to 48 hours free of cost. So students, this was all about turgor pressure and wall pressure. We have learned about what is turgor pressure. I also told you that a flaccid cell has zero turgor pressure. Then we discussed about the wall pressure, and with a lovely video I also explained you how turgor pressure takes place in celery leaves. Hope you have understood both these terminologies very clearly, and now we are going to take the next subtopic under plant water relations in our next video.